Cool. Plate full of peeps. Microwave. Peep Orgy, yo. Well, put it in for a minute. It's Peep Orgy. Looks like they're having sex already. I'm not sure yet. That middle one is. Yeah, it's starting to expand.
You know.
I don't know. Can the people, my viewers, see it?
I think so, maybe.
I don't know. Don't get in the way, though. Don't touch it! No touchy. I have it set up fine. Calm down. Calm the fuck down.
No.
I'm gonna put it in for another 30 seconds.
I want to be hype.
Yo, calm the fuck down. Stop. You're a fag.
So.
Oh my god, it's overflowing!
Holy Jesus!
Let's just check on the status!
Yeah, shall we? Holy.
Isn't
Damn.
that fucking hot, yo? That is a peep orgy.
That is.
We're gonna go play back in. Start. So our viewers can see.
Of course.
Oh my lovely viewers. You're so good to me.
Kitty.
It's overflowing now.
Yeah.
Like hardcore.
Kitty in my girl.
Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit.
You know that's fucking hot. It smells too. Again.
Oh, that's delicious.
Keep going! Yay! Deflate!
Dude, that makes me hungry. I want to touch it.
Okay, touch it. It might be hot, I don't know.
That's a little warm.
You're stupid.
I know.
Now move so my viewers can see.
Yeah.
Hey. Ew, you're gonna eat it? That's just one marshmallow.
No.
Look at that. This fucking, like, brown shit, black shit. Eat it! It's hot, too. That's my hair. Sorry.
Hot and spoogey.
Yeah.
Not that I know what spooge is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gay, I'm just heterosexually challenged. That's all. At least that's what my mom says. This is the conclusion. Nasty, ew, blah.
It's actually really hot. Will you stop poking my
No,
piece?
it's amusing.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, no, I dare you to eat that.
Dude, it got brittle. It's all brittle. Ow, fuck, that's hot, though.
Genius. You're seriously gonna try to stand the son of a bitch out.
Ah!
Nice.
Almost.
Just about.
The plate is hot.
You want me to hold it?
No, it's fine. I gotta stand it up, though. It's brittle! Okay.